Good morning, guys. It is Tuesday. It is about, I think, 9 o'clock. 7 past 9. I was gonna get up and go to a class this morning, but I think the class is a little bit too intensive for a lower body day, because if you guys go to the gym, you'll most likely know that lower body days generally are the more intensive days at the gym. I just put you guys down because I wanted to have free hands, and I also really want to go to the gym, so I just want to keep this quick. But today my plans are to film the intro to my Plan With Me video, because I filmed it yesterday but I don't like the way that it turned out. I need to film that. I need to film the outro. I also want to film the intro to my meal. I don't know whether I should do it today or tomorrow, because I'm actually going to be tracking my meals for the video tomorrow, but I don't know if it's easier for me to film the intro today. I might do both just in case. I'm going to the gym. It's booty day. I'm so excited. It's my favorite day at the gym. This is what I'm wearing today. This is the top that we cropped ourselves. As you can see, it's crooked, but I don't even care. And then I'm wearing my black Gymshark pants. I don't have logos on these. For some reason they didn't last. Good afternoon. It is Tuesday afternoon. It is so sunny. It was not sunny at all this morning, and now it is really nice and sunny. Not that it matters because I'm not leaving the house, but I just finished streaming. I had a really good stream. If you guys don't already follow me on Twitch, I will leave it linked off down below. And I yeah, had a lot of fun, met some new people on stream, and I'm really hungry, so I'm just gonna have a Vegemite and Vegemite cheese in a ciabatta roll, which will be nice. So yeah, this is the cacao one. It's just like cacao and hazelnut. It's not super sweet, but I do enjoy it. So I'm gonna have that, and I'm gonna have a little bun roll thing, just because I'm still hungry, and carbs make me feel good, okay? And my butt cheeks are so sore. So fuel with carbs, is that how it works? I don't know, but anyway. Hey guys, so we are going for a walk. I feel like I've got crap on my lens. Oh, my camera's gonna die. Okay, can't talk. We're going for a walk. I'll show you when we get. This is our walk. It's coming. The views are coming. Ah, look how beautiful it is this afternoon. It's like 6 o'clock. We've both got our Fitbits on. It's not working, but Hazel's got hers as well. Aesthetic views. I don't want to voice over this clip, so instead I'm gonna do this. I've just started filming my what I eat in a day. I've just had my pre-workout, and I'm gonna go to the gym. Actually, really quickly before I go, I'm just gonna wipe the bench down, otherwise I might forget, and then I'll have a messy bench in the video and I will be angry. Just wanting to show you guys my gym outfit for today. So I am wearing one of my Kmart tanks, but I've just like tied it up at the back. I think it looks quite cute with like my straps of my sports bra, and then I'm wearing my Fitnit leggings, which are obviously black on one side and then camel on the other. And yeah, I think they're real cute. What's up? I am going to my parents' house just to catch up with my mum. I need to go home and have dinner, because I haven't been home for dinner in like a couple of weeks, but we've just been really good at like planning our dinners and sticking to the dinner plans, so haven't been going home. But seeing as Corbu and Hazel are working, but it's on the outside of my car. Since Corbu and Hazel are working late, I thought today would be a good day just to go home, hang out with my mum for like an hour or two. And yeah, I don't know if there's any packages at home. If there is, I'll pick them up. As far as I know, I don't have any, but I just want to go home and see my mum and my dad. I feel like I always talk about going to see my mum. My dad's obviously there too, and I obviously want to see him as well. He just suffers from chronic pain. I haven't really talked about it on my channel because it's not really mine to talk about, it's my dad, but he suffers from chronic migraines, and it's very debilitating for him. Can't work or anything, so I don't really see him that much because he's always in a lot of pain. Sorry to bring the vlog down there, but that's just my family's reality. Oh my god, you guys, I just had to hold on. Holy crap. So I've never seen, I just had to put you guys on. I don't have enough battery left to film at my parents' now, but I was just driving to my parents' house, and I've been very open with you guys that we live in West Auckland. I've never seen anything like this in my entire life. This is the most west thing I've ever seen. So I was just driving past like a main intersection, and this truck had its door open, and I was like, what the hell? And this guy is ripping another guy out of a car, and then 2 more guys are trying to pull them apart, and he's like wailing on this dude while ripping him out of the car. Lock those doors. That is the most nutty thing I've ever seen. Hazel and I are currently watching Naked Attraction, so I've obviously paused that while I'm filming, but I'm just gonna open this box really quickly. So this is the Lush Halloween collection. I'm super excited. So this looks like the Eyeball bath bomb. What's it called? Oh, Eyeball. Very basic. It's supposed to smell like orange. Oh my gosh, that actually smells delish. I don't have a bath anymore, which is like tragic. I'm super excited about this one though. It's the Ectoplasm Shower Screen.
Is it the glow in the dark one?
Yeah.
Yes.
Look at it. I can't. Am I in frame?
Yeah, you're in frame. Just don't squid it up.
It smells good. I need to try it in the shower because it's not very strong. Not in the shower. I'll give that to you. You can give it a whiff. And then I also got like half of an Ectoplasm solid.
Oh.
Shower gel, naked shower gel. It's good, but it's hard to smell when it's not in the humidity. Lord of Mistral, good old tried and true. This one's like really spicy. I quite like it. It's one of my faves. I wish I had a shower cream of it because I really like the shower one of it. Oh, I have this. I got this one last year as well. This is Sparkly Pumpkin. This smells like cinders. It's so good. They actually sent me so much stuff. Holy crap. This is new. Oh, it's so cute. It's like a little ghost. Ghost in the dark. Is it a massage bar? Illuminating wash. Is it a soap? It's super cute. I'll have to look into it. Yeah, it's a soap. Oh my gosh, I love that. Monsters Ball. This is one of my faves as well. Can't remember what it smells like. Lime and neroli. Yeah, oh mom, that one smells nice. I love him. Every year I get him. I think there's another one in here. Oh, the kitty one. I need to go to my mum's house and use her bath. This one's called Bewitched. And it smells like bergamot. So this is everything that we got sent. I'm so excited, you guys, especially for the shower cream or shower scream, because I'm nearly out. And this dude is so cute here. It kind of reminds me of like Tubby Toast from Teletubbies. Thank you so much, Lush. I honestly really, really appreciate it. I can't wait to try everything out. Good morning. It is Thursday. I feel like I look like I did last Thursday. I just edited last week's weekly vlog and I looked so ratchet on last Thursday. I looked like I'd been hit by a car. Honestly, I looked so tired. Today is the same, but we kept waking up in the night, like Jorge and I both, like there were like noisy cats, like it was just not a good sleep. I feel for him way more though because he obviously has to go to work today, whereas I slept until like 9:30, but I still only had 7.5 hours sleep, if that shows you how crap my sleep was today. This is the Kmart, whatever it was, like $12 seamless long sleeve. It's probably gonna be too hot for it, but I don't know, whatever. I'm just gonna whip up some pre-workout and then I'm gonna go straight to the gym because I am actually procrastinating today because I just feel so pooped. Okay, that video is rendering. Pre-workout is being drunk. I'm gonna go to the gym. I might take my camera with me today, but oh no, I can't actually. Maybe I'll take it next leg day and I'll vlog the bits that are in the like studio room because I'm not really ready to vlog yet. First of all, I don't know if I'm allowed to vlog, but I'm not really ready to vlog where like in the weights area because there's just so many people. But I know that when I'm gonna restart the guide from week 1 again because you can like do it in a cycle. I'm starting that next week. A lot of the workouts are like dumbbells, so I can do them in the weights room. I am starving right now, so this top is very applicable. I'm about to make myself a different breakfast. I've never made it before. And by the way, my calluses like are all bursting at the moment. I don't know if you guys can see, they're all like tearing. I'm gonna have like a protein milk and granola like cereal kind of dealio. So I'm gonna use my it kind of smells funky. Let me give it another rinse. So yeah, I'm gonna have my protein shake now essentially, but I'm gonna incorporate it into my breakfast as my cereal milk, if that makes sense. So normally I only ever have like 1 serving of stuff, especially because there's like 200 calories per serving of this, but I am freaking starving. Like I am ravenous, so I'm gonna have a really big breakfast, probably skip my snack and then have a later lunch because I'm legit like I could eat a family. So I've gone with 75 grams, which is that much granola. And then for the protein, I'm gonna use the cacao hazelnut flavor, which is gonna kind of make it like a Cocoa Pops milk kind of dealio. I don't know what, if anybody's from America, I don't know what to compare to you guys for Cocoa Pops, but if you live in New Zealand, everybody loves a good Cocoa Pops milk, all right? We didn't always get Cocoa Pops because Cocoa Pops was expensive. And I was more of like a sandwich kid as a kid for some reason, but I just love granola. I'm obsessed with it. Hate muesli, but love granola. You guys kind of see? Oh yeah. Hello. So that was only probably about half, so I'll just drink the other half. But it just looks like delicious. Doesn't it look divine? Maybe it doesn't look divine, but to me it looks divine. So I'm gonna eat this, drink this, and just do some editing and YouTube stuff. Holy guacamole, you guys, that was so delish. It actually tasted like Cocoa Pops. Like I'm not that person to be like, oh my gosh, this healthy alternative tastes just as good as the original. But like, that was like Cocoa Pops for adults. That was delish. I just kind of want to do another haul soon, and I'll ask you guys on here, do you reckon I should do ASOS? Because I'm thinking where I can order like a lot of stuff for not too expensive. ASOS or Forever 21, because both of them have both of them ship to New Zealand. So I've just got a package from Dermalogica. Let me just open it because I don't want to show you what, mate. Okay, sorry, I got distracted. So this is the Dermalogica package. October is here and summer is just around the corner. To help get you beach ready, we've included a Dermalogica athleisure bag with a drink bottle and a sports bra. So this is the skin smoothing cream. So yeah, this has got hyaluronic acid, a lot of vitamins, some really cool technology, and it's 110 for the 100 ml, 82 for the 50 ml, and 30 for the 15 ml. Let's see. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. This is such a pretty color. Sports bra. Oh my gosh, look at that color. Oh my god. Ah! This is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my entire life. Oh my god, the quality is amazing. I'm not gonna lie, I'm borderline more excited for this. I've never owned anything from Lorna Jane. Thank you so much, Dermalogica. And then we've also got, oh cute, it's like a little packet of stuff that's good for after the gym. And then this is the new product, or the reformulated product, I believe. Oh my gosh, what an amazing package. You guys, I am shook to the core. That bra is so pretty. So is the water bottle. Seriously, that bra is so gorgeous. I don't even want to wear it, it's so pretty. I want to put it like in a frame. It's stunning. I cannot wait. I've always wanted to try Lorna Jane stuff, so how awesome to get something from Lorna Jane in like a skincare PR package. I wish I showed you guys the before, but I forgot. But you can see how dusty it is. There's so much junk. I'll show you guys the afterwards. I don't know if I'm going to tackle the mask drawer, but this is what it looks like. So I'll come at you guys with an after when I'm finished. This is the after. I just wiped it down, popped everything in. That one there is hair and a little bit of skincare, so like moisturizers and some face stuff, and then your hair stuff, body washes, spillover stuff, baby wipes. Corpu and I both have a wireless speaker, cleaning products, more soap, razor, and then I'm pretty sure Corpu's not going to want that, but I'm not throwing it away. And then baby wipes, and then Corpu's like buzzer, and we're not going to talk about that drawer. That's for another day. I don't know which way to show you guys, but this is the Lorna Jane sports bra. I'm not trying to show you my boob, I'm trying to show you guys the patterning on it, but it's not really, oh there you go, you can kind of see. It's a very small fitting small. I'll show you the back, I'll put you over here. We're watching American Beastmaster. If you're wondering what's on TV, Ultimate Beastmaster. That's the back. Can you see? I think so. Good morning guys, I just woke up. Again, I wake up every morning when Corpu goes to work, but I went back to sleep for a little bit and I just woke up, and it's just gone 9 o'clock. It's 1:15 now that I'm ready, but I just wanted to show you guys my outfit of the day because, or my outfit for the gym, because I just love it. I love these pants. They're seriously my favorite. If you guys don't have any Gymshark pants, I highly recommend these. These are the seamless ombre in the grey, subtle ombre, and they just fit like a dream. And I'm wearing the Gymshark drape vest, which I wouldn't recommend anybody buys because it's literally just, there is absolutely, sorry, I'm not trying to show you guys my cleavage, there's absolutely nothing to it, and you guys can see, hopefully it is completely sheer, but it's good for outfits like this because you can see the complete back of the bra, the pink peeks through, it looks really cute with the pink. There's actually another pair of Gymshark pants that I want. They're like a grey, like this colour grey to a pink like this, and I never wanted them, but now that I've got this bra I really want to buy them, so I'm going to have to, sorry my piercing was crooked, I'm going to have to try buy them second hand because I don't sell them anymore, so I'll keep you guys posted how that hunt goes. So I had an awesome workout. I just finished eating breakfast. I managed to do 5 push-ups in a row today, which was good. Last time it was 4.5, and I did 2 or 3 sets. I think it was 3 sets actually of 5 push-ups, so 15 toe push-ups in one day. It's a pretty awesome achievement compared to what I used to be able to do, which was this many at the start of my journey. I couldn't do any, and now I can do 15. Not in one go, like in a row I can do 5, but 15 in one day is not bad. To cover the window, but Corpu's streaming in our spare and I'm playing WoW in my cool flying machine. Hell yeah. If you can hear Corpse talking, it's because he's over there. But I'm finally trying out my HP Sprocket. It is an awesome little printer that I got sent from the Omen team, which ironically my mouse is here. This is so exciting. How funny that it's Corpu's face first. I'm just using the app, which is so easy to use because it just turns on when you you turn on your printer and then the app opens. It's really, really clever. And yeah, this is one of our cute photos from our Queenstown trip. It looks awesome. Way better than my Instax ones, and I'm not just saying that. The colours are a little bit off, so I'll need to fiddle with those, but it's like photo paper that you just peel and stick. I've got another photo coming too, another one from our trip, so I'll show you all of them once I'm done. I'm getting them ready to do like an Insta post. I haven't been vlogging today, but this is my dinner, homemade pizza. If I can remember, I'll put the macros over here. Let's hope the future Olivia remembers, but yeah, it's gonna be delish. Alright guys, so that is the end of this vlog. I just wanted to come on really quickly because last week I didn't end the vlog and it did not feel right not coming on and ending it. It's actually Monday night right now when I'm editing this vlog, but I just wanted to come on and say thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my first week of the holidays vlog. I have had a really great week and watching it back has been amazing. It was just such a great week. Hope you guys enjoyed it too. If you did enjoy it, please don't forget to give my videos thumbs ups because it helps people find my channel, lets me know that you like my content. If you guys have any requests, anything like that for the vlogs or otherwise, please let me know down below. Until next time, I love you guys and I'll see you in another video. Bye.